Hello, welcome. This is Cara and it's day 4 of the 7 days of summer. These are the 2 pages from the collab kits I will be using to show you my project, along with, I'm using Authentique's, I guess it's called Cheerful. Anyway, this is a paper pack I got and it's from 2016. I picked it up a couple years ago at Tuesday morning. So I made a tag envelope, little flippy thing, and I will link the YouTube channel where I saw this. I'm trying to think of her name. I have it right here. Makin Makin Crafts, and she did a really elaborate one. I used what we had in the 2 days, so mine's a little bit smaller than hers, but I will link her video below. It's really cool what she makes. I also did record this whole process of me making it, but I noticed halfway through I stopped talking. Probably because I was concentrating on what I was doing. So I'd have to do a voiceover. But if you are interested in the longer version of this, just kind of see how I put it together, let me know in the comments and I can do that at a later date. Probably after the 7 days are over. Okay, so let's take a look at what I made. So this base is an envelope that I cut out of scrapbook paper, and then I used my envelope punch board, and then I just did a little collaging in the back, and then one of Julie's cards, journaling cards, fits there, and then this flap becomes the front cover. Some of the embellishments from the paper pack, a little piece of ribbon, and then you flip it up, and here's one of the jars from today's page from my kit, and then this cute little piece of ephemera from the scrapbook paper. I added this from the scrapbook paper, just a little bit of fabric there for the top, one of Julie's cards, and then in here I made a little paper notepad that kind of tucks in right there. And then I'll talk about that in a minute. So then you open it up, and I hid the 2 flaps with some lace. And then I have right here, I have one of my cards. I had to cut down the edges a little bit because I glued it a little too much. And you'll notice this kind of bugs me, but this is off center, but meh. Layered up some tags. Usually I would stamp something here, but I left it blank so that if I want to use this and put pictures in it, I can actually write the date when the pictures were from. And then in here we have some of Julie's journaling cards, and that's one of her big cards. The other thing I wish I would have done before I did my sewing is make this look like a tag to match these, but I did my sewing and then I was like, well, I kind of have to leave it now. So there's that. And then on the back, I took a piece of scrapbook paper, and then this folds down, and then this card says picture perfect, so I thought it'd be cute if you put a couple pictures there, and then that folds right back up. And then from the kit, there's this, scrapbook paper, there was this really cute red seed packet journaling card, so I just stuck that in, covered the back with some coffee dyed paper, and there it is. I think it's really fun. And then this can go in my journal. So then this can tuck in to my journal somewhere. And I could either, I don't know, attach it with something, a paper clip or something, or it could just be tucked in and move around. Or what, I could make a pocket for the front. Ooh, that'd be fun. Like out of fabric, or even in the back. If you did the back, then it'd be hard to write. Anyway, so there is today, day 4's project. Thanks so much for watching, and come on back for day 5. I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.